Welcome to Eric Blackman Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackman Guitar. In this session, I'm going to show you how I do double stops on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and double stops are chords that are made up of only two notes played on two strings of the guitar. Double stops have been featured in many popular songs over the years. Here are a few examples. Brown-Eyed Girl, Soul Man, Memphis Soul Stew, Make Me Wanna, Now, double stops typically follow the major scale up the guitar neck. We can play these in any key, but for simplicity, we will stick to the C major scale, or the C major key. The chord order in the key of C major, or any major key, is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. And in the key of C, that would be C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. But since we're using only two notes, it will wind up being a B minor. So that last chord will go minor because of the two notes. Okay? So let's start with two strings. Let's start with the A string and the D string. So double stops on those strings in the key of C would be so that was on the A string 3rd fret, the D string 2nd fret for C major. D minor will move up to fret 3 and 4. For E minor, fret 5 and 7. For F major, fret 7 and 8. For G major, fret 9 and 10. A minor, fret 10 and 12. B minor, fret 12 and 14. And end with 14 and 15. And that's on the D string 14 and the A string 15. So again, that's next, we'll go to the D string and G string and do double stops. We'll start with the D string at fret 2 and the G string open. And then we'll move up this way. We play that by going to the D string fret 2, the G string open. We'll move up to the D string, fret 3, and we'll play the G string at fret 2. We'll play 4 and 5. For F, 5 and 7. For G, 7 and 9. For A minor, 9 and 10. For B minor, 10 and 12. Back to C, 12 and 14. So once again, now we'll move to the G and B string. For that one, we'll start at fret 5 and we'll just hold down the G and B string at that fret. And we'll play it like this. So for that one, we started at fret 5. Fret 6 and 7. Fret 8 and 9. Fret 10, both strings. Fret 12, both strings. Fret 13 and 14, and that's A minor. Fret 15 and 16, and end at fret 17. So once again. Next, we'll go to the B and the high E string and do double stops. In the key of C, those double stops will be For this one, we're going to start at fret 1 on the B string and open high E. We'll move to fret 3 on the B string and fret 1 on the high E. Then we'll go to 5 and 3, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 8 and 10, 10 and 12, and then 12 and 13. Once again. So now let's do some double stops where we use strings that have a string between them, like the D string and the B string, like that. So we have the B string held down and the D string held down, and the G string is in between there but not played. Okay, so we'll play this like that, and it'll sound something like this. For that one, we were at fret 1 and 2, fret 3, both strings, fret 5, fret 6 and 7, fret 8 and 9, fret 10, fret 12, and fret 13 and 14. So again, that's Now let's move to the G string and the high E string. We'll play both strings open first. That's the G and high E. And move up the neck this way. For that one, both strings open. The high E fret 1 and the G string fret 2. Fret 3 and 4. Both strings at fret 5. Both strings at fret 7. Fret 8 and 9. Fret 10 and fret 12. Here it is again. Well, all right, my friends. Working on those double stops should keep you busy until I come up with something new. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.